Aromatherapy Essential Oil Diffuser Humidifier 550 ml 12 hours high mist output for large room, home, waterless auto off. 7-color LED lights wood grain cool mist humidifier ultrasonic diffusers. 550 ml capacity, run over 10 hours, more mist output. Our essential oil diffuser feature 550 ml capacity, even in strong mist mode still work for 9 to 10 hours. Essential Oil Diffuser Aromatherapy Humidifier, Air Mist Vaporizer for Room White Ceramic Aroma Infuser for Home Bedroom Office Small Ultrasonic Scent Fragrance Machine. Super Quiet Portable Stone Humidifier. The white plug-in humidifier diffuser harnesses ultrasonic misting technology, creating cool, powerful, strong. Olive Tech Essential Oil Diffuser, 400 ml ultrasonic aroma humidifier, free cleaning kit, auto shutoff and BPA-free white marble. Unique design, with classic white marble texture finish, add drops of your favorite essential oil to give your room a fresh, clean scent. It will fill your space with lovely fragrance. As a decorative piece, perfect for your room, office, yoga room, hotel room, etc. Glass Essential Oil Diffuser Humidifier, plastic-free, glass reservoir natural wood base, waterless auto shutoff 7 colors lights aroma diffusers for bedroom homeroom office yoga mom wife gift 80 ml. Glass reservoir and cover, this diffuser for gift has a glass water tank. BlueHills Premium 3000 ml XL Essential Oil Diffuser Aroma Humidifier 3-liter Big 3L Capacity Huge Size Plant Baby Living Room Home Decor Dark Wood Grain 3LK3. Large Essential Oil Diffuser Multifunctional Aromatherapy Device. This essential oil diffuser is an amazing aromatherapy device unlike